last time we learned about a thing or two. I will recap it because it wasn't so much. So let's start with terminal. We started with terminal last one. So I told you how to go back. It's like when you are programming, it's not necessary to go in the file manager, as in this PC thing. You don't have to go in here and then create new folder and delete it. You don't have to do that. You can just do it from here by like just cd dot dot, it will go back, cd dot dot, it will go back. Or else you can do one thing, is just cd and then in whichever directory you want to go, then directory E and semicolon, colon, whatever. You hit enter, and as you can see now it's from C, it's got changed to E. Now here we're gonna go to cd the programmer guide. So now it's inside the programmer guide, and I also told you, I shared with you that how we can delete and create new folders in this. So first write ls. Ls means it will show how many files are in there. So there is currently one file which we might want to delete. So for deleting, I have told you how to do it. So I like rm, then space, and then the name of the file, which is tpgg.py. Hit enter and now type ls. Here you will see nothing appear because there's no file left in that folder. So let's go back, and we want to delete this folder also because the spelling, there's an error. You can see theprogrammer, it's not right spelling. So let's go back. We have went back, cd dot dot, and now we will type rm. First type ls, so you will know there are so many folders. So okay, let's clear it. For clearing, you have to give clear command. And now we're gonna delete rm, the programmer guide. Now this is deleted, and I will create new one with the right spelling. With ls, I will make you check it that there is none of that left. So clear again. Now let's create a new folder. For that, we have to write mkdir space and then theprogrammerbrg. That's a correct spelling, and hit enter. Now there's a new directory created, new folder created, which is the programmer guide. So let's start our program. But before that, what did we do? We have to create a new file. So for that, I have already told you what to do. First, you have to check if you have installed your Python thing or not. So how to install Python? You have to check the video. The link is in the description. So after installing the Python, you will have to type python in this terminal. Hit enter, and here you can see your Python version. If it is installed, it will show like this. If there is no Python installed on a device, then it will show some error, some red color error, something like that. But I do have installed Python 3.12.4 version. So yeah, it is installed and I can continue. And here we can see, I have also told you that after typing Python, now this terminal is running as a Python output. So whenever you type like print, then this brackets, and inside this, and let's write the again I'm writing wrong spelling. Guy. Hey, look, I told you to print this thing, and this thing got printed. So if I enter some gibberish, it won't work, because you can see name error, the name is not defined, because this is now running in Python. So you have to, make it correct. This is running in Python, but if you want to run it normally, you just have to type exit brackets. Now it's back to normal. As you can see, it's again back to E directory. So yeah, let's go inside cd.theprogrammer guide. Now it's inside our new created folder, which is the programmer guide. I have already recapped you how to create folder, delete folder, go inside, get out, something like that, and how to install Python on a device. I have told in the video. You will get the link in the description. And the other thing you have to install is that VS Code. So VS Code looks like this. Here you can see this is VS Code. This on the moon. Here on the moon there's VS Code. So let's keep it here only. And here you have to first write code, then space, then the file name, which will be tpgg.py. I will tell you why .py is important, because we are currently programming in Python. So py is the extension for Python programming language. So you have to put py to run your file in Python programming. Now, after writing code, hit a space, leave a space, and then name of the file whatever you want. And after that .py, hit enter. VS Code will get opened automatically. Here I already told you that this dot thing symbolizes that the file is not saved. This dot thing and this blue colored logo thing on the left side of your name, of your file's name, symbolizes is the symbol for Python programming. This is the symbol for your Python programming. That's it. So whenever I will save it, this dot will get changed. If I'm not doing anything, and here I'm saving it, it got changed to a cross mark, which means that the file is saved now. Again, if I do something new in this file, like I just wrote a K or backspace it or something like anything, I have made a new change in this file, and then again I have to save it, and I haven't saved it yet, so that's why it's showing the dot again. When I will save it, it's again not showing the dot. So that's how it works. Now we have created our first Python file. It's not a project, we just have created a first Python file with py extension. That's how you create your Python file. So let's move ahead. So the first, I already saved it, whatever. So you have saved this file and created this file, and now we will start with our very first project in any programming language, which is an hello world file. Hello world. That's a conventional thing. So we'll start with it, because if you are new, you should just know how to do it. So you have created a Python file. Now just you have to do is that this is the first line of code. You can see this number 1 here, and now let's just start. Type print. You can, if you're using VS Code, you will already see this kind of suggestions. Now whenever you write P, it will already show print in the first option as a suggestion. You will hit enter, and it will complete the word without you have to type the whole word. That's how easy to code in VS software, Visual Studio Code. That's why I told you to install it. And now let's do it again. Clear it. First word is print, then give brackets, curly bracket, round brackets. This round brackets you have to give, and after giving this round brackets, just give an this quote, either single inverted or double, however you like it. It's your choice. Now you just write anything. We'll write not hello world because it's conventional. Let's say we are the programmer guys. Now save it, and after saving it, just click on this play icon. You can see this run code, or you can just hit Ctrl+Alt+C. Ctrl+Alt+C. You can see here a box got open from below, or I will just close it again and will show you again. Here, just click on this play button or Ctrl+Alt+C. When you will click it, a box will get open, and you can see we have run this program two times, and it says we are the programmer guys. The thing you type in this bracket inside this inverted commas, inverted quotes, will get printed as an output. As you can see, there is nothing else here. There is no print word here, no round brackets, and no inverted commas. You just have to, the only thing that's printed is the thing is between these two inverted quotes. That's all that's get printed. Let's clear clear output, and now let's run this again. Ctrl+Alt+C. Here it got run again, and this is just the thing that running shows the code is getting run by this terminal, and here's the output. The file is here in our E directory, and the folder the programmer guy, and the file is tpgg.py. This is our file, and here is our output. We are the programmer guys. Yep. And here it shows done. The code is executed with in 0.092 seconds. That's how fast this runs. It's not like it's just one line, that's why it's running so fast. Even if you're running like thousands of lines, then also it will run very fast. So use Visual Studio Code, and that's how it works. That's how we have completed our first Python project, which is printing anything you want to print. Now we will change it again, and I will write, hey, yeah, how are you? Question mark. And here it's just showing some suggestions. You don't have to, look in this. It's not necessary. Now just Ctrl+S, and again run this thing. Here now you can see the output is changed. The output is now, hey, you, how are you? That's the output now. And if you run it again, the same output will come again because you haven't changed your, input. So the output has changed now from the we are the grammar guys to hey you, how are you? That's how it works. Now let's repeat this line and print something else. You can do this by pressing Ctrl+D. It will duplicate the line on which your cursor is. This is your cursor. Now it's on the second line, now it's on the first line. You will control V and it will get duplicated. So let's print something different in the next one, which will be I am goddamn, well, you got no caps. Goddamn fine. You just save it, Control Alt C, and now here scroll down, you will see 2 lines because we have used the print word, the print function 2 times in first row and in the first line and second line. That's why it's appearing 2 times. The sentence, hey, how are you? Hey, you, how are you? I am goddamn fine. If you just write it 3 times, that is good. Save it, Control Alt C, and here now 3 lines will appear. Hey, you, how are you? I am goddamn fine. That is good. And this is how the print function works. It's not that you can just write small case here. You can also write capital, but only in the thing what you are printing. If you are just programming or writing the code, use small. Usually use small because that's how it works. I mean, it will also work in capital, but here let's convert it to print and let's check if it works or not. Print, Control Alt C. No, capital 1 doesn't work. As you can see, name error, print is not defined. So Python is case sensitive. Case sensitive means small case and big case doesn't matter. You can't just change small case to big case. You can't do it like that. So whenever you are coding or programming, you have to write the code in small case, and you want to print in something caps, you can just print in that. Like, let's change it to caps. That is amazing. And what? And put an exclamation mark, Control S. I mean, we saved the file now. Control Alt C. And here, if you're scrolling down, you can see the first line are in small case because it's we have input in small case, and the third line is in big case because we have wrote it in a big case. That's how the print function works in Python. It's so easy. You just have to write print, then round brackets, and then double inverted quotes, and that is amazing. I mean, whatever you want to write. So you can just write your name again, Control D, a new line will come, or let's just clear it, write it new again, print, brackets, commas. Now I put single quotes, and you will see the change. I mean, there's no change, there's nothing change happens. My name is, whatever name is, let's put the N capital. My name is, I mean, you don't know, but let it be just something like that. Control Alt C, and here you will see my name is. So you can see there's no impact of single quotes or double quotes. It's just whatever you like. So here you can see the print. That's how the print function works in Python. It is so simple. And now we'll go with something different. Until then, practice. You don't have to practice it, but just try your print function and just write something else which we haven't tried yet, like any damn thing. Control S, and here now the gibberish is here. Scan, whatever, I don't know, but that's how the print function works. And yeah, so thank you if you liked it, and yeah, we will see something new in the next video. Thank you and keep practicing. See you later.